Hey everybody, this is Charles Diggs, and I welcome you to my channel. Today we're going to go ahead and talk about it. We're going to talk about what the gurus don't want you to know, right? Okay, so you came to this particular platform right here, this my particular channel, right, to find out what is the secret that the gurus are holding back. Okay, so I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you the number one secret to the gurus that they won't tell you. Okay, I'm going to tell you one strategy, one thing about the gurus, online gurus, and what they do. So I want you to stay tuned. Okay, all right. So that this is your first time coming to my channel. All right, I welcome you. So like my video and subscribe. Like it and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get to it. Let's talk about it. Okay, the fifth the fifth reason or the fifth secret of online gurus and what they do, okay, they use a strategy of free traffic and paid traffic, okay, or in their advertising. Now I know some people say, well, I like to use free traffic, and that's okay, that's perfectly fine, but it's going to take you a little while, okay, to get your sales like you want them to be, okay, if any sales at all. But it takes some time. It takes weeks or it takes some months, all right? And it's going to require work, all right, on your part if you want free traffic, like going on Facebook, going on Instagram, okay, different things like that, even with YouTube, okay. Uh, but some of the online gurus, they use a combination of both both paid traffic and free traffic. Paid traffic such as Facebook ads, Microsoft ads, solo ads, those type of ads. What happens when a person uses those type of particular advertising? It kind of speeds up the process, right? So you need a combination of both paid advertising and free advertising, okay? A lot of people don't want to spend on paid advertising, okay? And I can understand that to a certain extent, but it helps you speed the process. And I understand too, if you're on a budget. If you're on a budget, then it does make sense to start with just free traffic. But that is one of the secrets that the online gurus don't want you to know, that you need a combination of both free and paid traffic. So try doing that, okay? All right, go forth, and I remind you, this is a countdown, okay? So you're going to have to stay to the end to get the number one secret of the online gurus, all right? Fourth, secret is that you have to invest. Online gurus invest into themselves and into their business, okay? If you plan to have an online business, you have to invest into yourself and to your business. I don't understand how somebody said, I want to I want to be rich, I want to be famous, but you don't want to spend not a dime on yourself. You don't want to spend a dime in your business. You don't want to spend no money on advertising. I don't get it. How do you expect to promote your business? How do you expect to get any sales, without investing within yourself and within your business? So you have to invest into yourself, into your business. That's another secret that online gurus know. They always invest in courses. They always invest into themselves of different things. They're always learning too. Okay, you don't just stay in one spot. You're always trying to learn. Be teachable. That's the key too. Being teachable. A lot of us cannot or will not follow instructions or will not learn. learning something new. A lot of us, we have learned certain business strategies that's been outdated for so long. And so now we're wondering why, why they were never successful in business. Well, it's because they're not teachable. So you have to be a learner. That's one thing that online gurus are. They are learners. Okay, they're always investing and they're always trying to learn. Okay, all right. Now here's the third. This top. There's a top three. Okay, the third one is that they master at one thing. Okay, so anybody in any type of a business, they have mastered at doing one particular thing. They may have a particular skill or a gift, and they have mastered it. Okay, maybe that person, that online guru, is a master in editing, or they are master in advertising on Facebook. Okay, or it can be it can be someone who is offline. Maybe they're a great writer, but that particular person have mastered in their craft. Okay, so that is the number, the third three. You have to master something. Okay, so don't what you want to do. You do not want to be everywhere. Okay, doing a whole bunch of different things at one time. You want to focus and master a craft, master an art, master at something that you're very good at. Anybody who ever plays sports, what goes on in playing sports? That particular player, they master at it. They practice day in and day out, right, in their craft. And this is what you have to do online. Master a skill set. This is what the online gurus don't really want you to know. You have to master at something. So how you master at it? You practice. That's what you do. You practice. So that's that. All right, the second one. All right, we're coming down to it. The second one, huh? Okay. One thing you want to know about online gurus? Okay, they sell and promote high ticket products. That's it. High ticket products. You cannot expect to make it on the online business peddling 1995 products or services. It just ain't gonna happen. Okay, so you want to invest and promote high ticket items. I'm talking about 100, 200, 300, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, but people are like, oh, I don't want to do that. Well, how in the world are you going to expect it how do you expect to be successful in online business promoting 1995 products? It just ain't gonna you're not gonna make it. Okay, so it makes sense to promote high ticket items. Okay, and here's the number one. You've been waiting for this. This is the number one secret of the online gurus. Ready for it? All right, here it goes. They have their own products and courses they promote. You get it? That's the secret. Like, oh man, is that it? Yes. They have their own products that they promote. Okay? And they promote them. And on top of that, they have followers to promote them, or affiliates to promote their offers. This is the reason why you see certain ads in the internet where that this person says, "Oh, I'd have made $65,000 in 2 weeks," right? Okay, how can an individual make $65,000 in 2 weeks? By himself? No. He has a team, okay? He has a team. And so you have to realize the dynamics that is at work, the strategy that is work. And so that's what happens. So it puts you back in perspective. This is the reason why a lot of people say, well, certain things don't work out. It's a scam. It's a scam. No, it's not. Now, I agree that some things are maybe a scam out there, but a lot of this is your perspective. You don't understand the systems that are at play, okay? And so a lot of the online gurus, they have systems, okay? They have systems. They have a following. When you first start off, you can't sit there and expect to be on business, being online business, and say, you know what, I am going to make $100,000 in 2 months. How are you going to do that? Now I'm bringing you into reality. How are you going to do that? Okay, you can't do that unless you have a team. You can't do that unless you have some sort of type of following and a product of your own. Okay, a product of your own that you're promoting. Okay, and then when you have affiliates to sell and promote your product, then you get a percentage of what they bring in. And that's the secret. Okay, there are other secrets that the gurus don't want you to know. And I might make another series, I might make another video about that. So what you think about that? What are your thoughts on it? I want to know. Just comment below, okay? And so I really thank you for being with me today. I thank you so much. Please like and subscribe, okay, to my channel. So thank you, and that's the 5 big secrets of the online gurus, okay? So y'all have a good day, and y'all be blessed.